We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram 3500 cab chassis. Stock number on this is 28650T. This is a Laramie package, so we do have the chrome grille, of course the chrome bumpers, LED lights, front park sensors, fog lights. We do have the nice alloy wheels on it. It is a 3500 with the Cummins turbo diesel, and this is a crew cab. And we do have the running boards on it already. As far as getting up into the truck, will make it a little easier. Got the trailer tow mirrors, and in this Laramie everything is in chrome. Them trailer tow mirrors pop up, give you a little more visibility as far as towing, and then they just pop back down. Chrome door handles. It's got the 6.7 turbo diesel in it with the Ison transmission and a 410 axle ratio on this. Sharp looking truck. Now what we'll do on a chassis is we'll end up putting a body on it. If you've got anything in mind that you'd like to have a body put on, we have not ordered anything for this yet. We've got some ideas on it, but give Steve a call and he can help you out on that. Taking a look at the inside, it is equipped with the leather interior, of course power driver's seat and passenger seat, lumbar control, memory seats, power windows and locks, automatic headlights, tilt steering, cruise control, 8.4 touchscreen radio in it. In the rear here we've also got leather seats, and they are also heated. Got storage area underneath the seats here with a fold flat floor. The things you see here in the back are the stuff to do the upfit on. Does have a rear backup camera. As you can see, it's a chassis. Like I said, put a flat body on this. You can put a service body on it, small dump body, stake bed. There's different things. It is dual rear wheels. Just some of the features that's on it. Like I said, it does have the trailer brake control, upfitter module. We've got dual alternators on this, tire pressure monitoring system, rear and front park sensor system, park view backup camera, Uconnect with navigation. When this truck's done, it'll be a extra special truck. All the luxury items that we can do, and we'll be putting a service body on it. Again, this is stock number 28650T. It's just one of the many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. For any kind of commercial vehicles that you need, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.